Hello, everybody. Welcome to Market Musings with Watanabe. My name is Princess, and today we are going to discuss about two different IPOs. And by end of this video, we will also be concluding whether we are going to apply for this IPO or not. So stay tuned till the end. So first, we are going to discuss about this company. I'm pretty sure we all must have used its product somewhere or the other. So it's none other than FLAIR Writing Industries Limited. And so this was founded in 1976. It is an ISO certified company specializing in the development and manufacturing of writing instruments. Now, recently, it has diversified into manufacturing houseware products such as casseroles, bottles, storage containers, and so on. Now, looking at its financial performance, we can say that the company has demonstrated impressive revenue growth with a notable increase of around 62% between the financial year ending on 31st March 23 and 31st March 2022. And looking at the PAT, it has surged by an impressive 114% during the same period. Looking at the balance sheet, we can say that this company has witnessed a commendable increase in its total assets, reaching to 765 crores by June 2023 as compared to 557 crores in the previous financial year. Now, FLAIR's approach to debt management is also noteworthy and as reflected in the total borrowing figures. In conclusion, if we see, this company's financial indicates a robust and growing business. Moving towards our next slide. So the IPO already started on November 22 and the close date is tomorrow, that is November 24th. The issue price is ranging between 288 to 304 per share. Now, quickly going through the stat parts. Now, recently, at present, the retail subscription is somewhere around 7. Now, this entire sheet basically highlights about the retail subscription and what are the benefits behind maximum retail subscription. So currently, since the retail subscription is 7 times, we can say that since Jan 2021 onwards, there were around 157 IPOs, out of which we would have applied to 79 IPOs based on the retail subscription, and out of which we would have been allotted around 29 IPOs with a 79% of winning rate. That means that means out of 29, 23 IPOs were a win for us, especially on the listing day. Now, if you would have if your average investment is around 2 lakh rupees, so since Jan 2021 onwards, you would have earned a total profit of around 1,12,067 rupees. Average gains here is 4,000 points. The max win here is, or the max points on the listing day was 16,305 points, which was by, of course, GR Infra Projects Limited. Yeah. So whether we will be applying for this IPO or not, yes, then we would like to go ahead and we would have definitely applied for this IPO. However, the chances are quite bleak whether we will be getting allotment or no. But yeah, if given a chance, we would definitely apply to this IPO. Now, moving towards our next IPO that is related to Fed Bank Financial Services. So, Fed Bank Financial Services Limited is a subsidiary of the Federal Bank Limited, and it provides gold loans, home loans, loan against property and business loan services, and so on. So as on March 31st, 23, Fed Bank's Financial Services has offices in 191 districts in 16 states and union territories in India through 575 branches with a strong presence in southern and western regions of India. Now, looking at the financial performance, it has exhibited that the revenue growth with an increase of around 37% in the financial year ending 31st March 23 compared to the previous year. The revenue surged from 883 crores to 1214 crores. And the PAT has increased from 103 crores to 180 crores, showcasing effective cost management and operational efficiency, contributing to a healthier bottom line. The balance sheet reflects significant strength with total assets. And also, while the company's total borrowings has increased, reaching around 7,619 crores by June 30, 2023, it's noteworthy that it has been accompanied by a substantial growth in assets and revenue. Now, to conclude, we can see that the financial performance does reveal positive trajectory. The double-digit growth in revenue and profitability, coupled with a strengthened balance sheet, positions the company as a potentially attractive investment. Now, moving towards our next slide. So the IPO already started on November 22, and the close date is tomorrow, that is November 24th. And the issue price is ranging between 133 rupees to 140 rupees per share. Now, so far, the retail subscription is just around 2 times. So the moment we change the numbers here, that is 2 times based on the retail subscription, we can conclude here, or we can say that out of 157 IPOs since Jan 2021, there were around, we would have applied around 217 IPOs based on the retail subscription, out of which we would have been allotted 67 IPOs, and out of which we would have won around 45 IPOs, which is around 67% of winning. Now, if you would have invested around 2 lakh rupees, it would have been the total profits you would have gained so far is 2,27,524 rupees. Now, average gains here is around 3,447 points. And max win here is, again, it's the same thing. That is GR Infra Projects. So whether we will be applying to this IPO or no, so we would like to conclude here that anything which, whether the retail subscription is less than 5 times, we do not apply for it. Because we are quite skeptical whether there will be any listing gains on the listing day itself. So yeah, that's it from my side. So to conclude here, I would like to reiterate here this, that for FLAIR Industries, yes, we are going to definitely apply for that IPO. Whereas Fed Bank Financial Services, we are not going to apply because we are quite skeptical about it. So yeah, that's it from my side. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and have a good day.